There is something so disconcerting about having your hair parted on the opposite side than usual. Hello friends, welcome to today's video. This is an unbagging video, which you could tell from the title of it. I just got home from work, and when I checked the mail, I saw that my Ipsy bag had arrived. I don't know what is done, according to the top of it. Delivered, packaged, who knows? I have not been spoiled on this at all, so I'm very excited to see what is in my Ipsy bag this month. It has a little bit of heft to it, so yeah, let's find out together. It's a very smooth feeling bag. What do we got? Oh, okay, that's kind of cute. It's very plasticky, but I really like that it's the faux marble and then the light pink details. That's pretty cute, I gotta say. Okay, so I sometimes tell you at the start of these things the kind of things that I hope to get in here. I really like getting masks. I really like getting like mascaras and lip products. What else do I like getting? I like things that are like, if I'm gonna have skincare, I want it to be a mask so that it's something that you can tell from one use if you like it. When I get little samples of like moisturizers or cleansers, it's kind of hard to tell what the product is doing. So in terms of skincare, I like masks. In terms of makeup, I like lip products, mascaras, you know, blushes and eyeshadows are always fun as well. And I think they may be trying to do a little bit more of like base products, but I know it can be hard to be able to customize things in that way. So the very first thing that I have appears to be a little squeezy tube. So what do we have here? Okay, it's something from Pur Lisse. I've reviewed a number of their products before. This is a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and smooths, and it's soap and sulfate free. Interesting. So while I sort of mentioned how cleansers aren't my favorite thing in the trial size because it takes a little while to get to know if a cleanser does good things for your skin, since this is also a makeup remover, I feel like it would be a little bit more interesting and still helpful to try in the short term. See if it's good at removing makeup, see if it irritates my eyes at all. So the benefits of this is that Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea helps rejuvenate skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity. And whole oat calms and soothes sensitive skin. So you use on damp skin and rinse lightly with warm water. And then of course you follow it up with their serums and moisturizers. Okay, interesting. Let's see what item 2 is. It's some kind of lip product or mascara. It's a mascara, and it's a mascara from a company I've never heard of before. It's called Brooklyn and Bailey. And the product is called Lash Next Door. Okay, I like mascaras because even in a trial size, first of all, I like the trial sizes because I never use up like a tube of mascara, but you can always tell like exactly how good it is in a short period of time with a tester for mascara. So next I have some kind of little pot. What is this? It's from a brand called JJ Young, which I've not heard of before. Ooh, it's a Pore Glow Mask. It's supposed to brighten and glow. So again, it's a brand that I have not heard of, but as I mentioned at the outset, I really do like getting masks. So I am more than happy to test this one out. 2 more products left and they're both in boxes. So let's go for this item first. This is something from Bella Pierre. I'm not the biggest fan of their cosmetics, so what is this? It's a lipstick in the shade Envy, which actually, if it's the same color as the box here, I mean, I do think that I would like that color. I also feel like it's quite close to my, well, not that close to my nail polish. Okay, it's in a little plastic tube that's sort of made to look like it's cushioned, but it's just hard plastic. And okay, that is a very nice color with a bit of a sweet scent. I feel like this is the kind of color that could be a real staple and just sort of an easy go-to kind of lipstick that's a little bit deeper, but still kind of in that nude sort of range. And now let's check out what the last product is. It's lip product. What do you think? Okay, it's from Morphe. Ah, this is the concealer, and I am not sure that I ever went onto their site to say what color I was in the concealer. Didn't we get a tester for this? Is that it? So they have sent me, okay, this definitely seems like it will work. This is C1.25 Soft Matte. Interesting. I have not tried, I've only ever tried from Morphe eyeshadow products. Was it this? No, it was, the tester that they sent us was the Pretty Vulgar. And I never did the follow-up to tell them what shade I was, but I think I have told them in some kind of survey that I am fair. So yeah, more than happy to test this out. I'm sure there's a ton of reviews out there on this Morphe concealer, but I am happy to add mine to it. So let's see what the theme was and see if there's anything that this can tell us about the products that we don't already know. Here's something kind of interesting. So it's actually quite nice. They have the Ipsy logo sewn on the inside here, but also this is Maiden N Mar, which you don't see a lot of. That's kind of interesting. The theme for this month is Clean Slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you, habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. So it's true, they have a pore cleansing mask, they have a milk cleanser, they, you know, sort of tied the mascara in that way. I mean, the concealer and the lipstick, it's a little hard to tie into that theme, but let's see what we've got here. Interesting, they've actually started including values of the full-size products. So the Pur Lisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk, the value of the full-size version of this product is $36, so it's a pretty expensive cleanser. The JJ Young Pore Glow Mask, the full-size version of the product is $15. That's quite affordable for a mask. And they say that one of their tips here is to keep it in your fridge so it'll feel cool, refreshing, and help calm puffiness. They're saying that the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Lipstick in Envy is a nourishing formula that is infused with vitamin E and vitamin C to help get your lips pillowy soft and protect them from damage, which I guess is a good sort of winter sort of thing to have. They say that the full size is $20. I feel like that's a bit pricey for a Bella Pierre product. The Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. Wow, its full size is $9, so it's a value product. And the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Store in Blackout, so it's a fully black mascara. Turn up the volume on your lashes with this jet black mascara from identical twins Brooklyn & Bailey. A few coats lengthen, separate, and define your lashes for a dramatic wide-eyed look. And you don't need to worry about this formula smudging or smearing. It does not budge. We will test that out. Tip for a wide-eyed effect, wiggle the mascara wand horizontally through your lashes from root to tip. It's pretty much how I always do mascara. And the full size of the mascara is $18, which is pretty well priced. So I would say out of all of these products, I am most excited about the Pore Glow Mask, the testing out the Morphe concealer, and the mascara, and then the cleansing milk and the lipstick. I think I'll get use out of them. I'm just not as excited about testing them out. Not that I think they're bad products at all, it's just not quite as exciting. But overall, I'm actually pretty darn happy with this bag. I think everything in here is something I'm looking forward to trying, that I'm going to get use out of, just all kinds of good. So good work, Ipsy. I'm pretty happy with it this month. So let me know what you are interested in seeing me try and test. Let me know what you received in your Ipsy bag, if it was different than mine. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye. Do I have the coordination to put on the lipstick without a mirror? It's a pretty color.